everybody, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we are gonna cover questions based on string. Alright, I got the questions from the sample papers which are designed for the board exam of 2025. In this question, we need to identify the output of the following code. Look at the code carefully. Here is one string. We are applying replace function on the original string and creating a new string. The name of the new string is same as previous one. It means we will override it. In the last video, we have discussed all the methods and the functions associated with the string. Hope you remember it. Then tell me what this replace method will do. It will replace this search value with the new value. Do we have it? Yes, we have it. It means hash symbol will get replaced on this string. Look at the options carefully. Well done, you got the correct option. That is nothing but A. Alright, let's move ahead to the second question. It is also similar to the first one. So pause the video and try it yourself. Hope you got it right. Let's check out what we are doing. Here is one string. With the for loop, we are iterating over each character of the string. Now we are clear with the usage of replace method. Star will get replaced on D. When we will print string 1, what will be the output? This code looks very easy, but there is a catch. We are applying the replace function on the original string, but we are not initializing it to a new string. And you know, string is immutable. We cannot change the content in place. It means original string will not get changed. It will be as it is. So when we will print the string 1, we will get the original string, and that is in the option D. So D is the correct choice. Hope you found this question very interesting. Let's move ahead to the next question. If you have focused on the explanation of split, you will know the answer. Alright, when we mention the delimiter, based on the delimiter, the string will get split. Alright, let's check out where we could find n. The first place is this. Here also we got one n and there is one more n. It means we will get total 4 words that will get in the form of list. Now look at the output. Very good. B is the correct option. We have total 4 elements and that too in the form of list. Alright, let's move ahead. There is one more question based on split method. I will suggest the same. Pause the video and solve it yourself. With the hope that you got correct output, let's solve together. Here is split function. Along with that, we have slicing too. Yes, we can write slicing in this way too. Let's first work out on the first task. Here delimiter is mentioned as hash. So based on hash, this string will get split. So here is the list of the string you will be getting. Are you confused with the last string? In the given string, next to n we have hash symbol. So based on this also the string will get split. But after hash there is nothing. That's why we are getting one empty string. First task is done. Now let's work out on the second task. This is related to slicing. Let's write the index 0, 1, 2. We have to start slicing from 1. What is the ending index? It is -1. But ending index is always exclusive. We have to take one less than the mentioned ending index. It is negative. So let's mention first -1 and -2. So ending index will be -2. It means from F to N we will get the slice string. Look at the options. Yes, you are right. The correct option is B. Hope you are enjoying this session. If so, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Let's practice one more question which is based on string slicing. Before you start slicing, make sure you are clear with the starting index, ending index and step. Look at the starting index. It is -2. It means we have to start slicing from the backward direction. Let's write the index. This is -1. This is nothing but -2. Alright, from C we have to start slicing. We can see end is not mentioned, so we have to consider the whole string. According to the step, every second character we have to consider. Let's start writing the character. First of all, we will get C. skipping one character and consider the second one. So we will get E. Now skip one character, consider next one. It is nothing but space. Now skip one character, consider the next one. That is nothing but L. Again skip one character, consider the second one. That is O. Skip one character, there is no more character left. Ultimately, here is the final output. Hope you also got the same output. Let's move ahead to the next question. Here we have theory question in which we need to mention the built-in functions or methods for the following instructions. Let's read the first one. To display the given string as in capital letters. To convert all the characters to the capital letters, we have method upper that we are applying on the string S. We need to display. So for that we will be using print function. It's time to read the second one. We have to display the number of words. We already know the split method which will split the string based on space. It means we will get the words. After applying split function, we get list of the string and we are applying len function on the list. With the help of len function, we will get the number of words. It means our task is done. Let's use print statement and print it. That was so simple, isn't it? There is one more theory question. I am leaving up to you. This is your assignment. Let me know the answer in the comments below. We have to name the string function which returns the index value of the first occurrence of the character in the string. Otherwise, it returns -1. Hope you got an idea the types of questions you will be getting on the string. If you want to practice some more questions, feel free to go through this video where we have covered lot of questions from the previous sample papers. There are some questions which are from the actual board papers too. Alright, with that let's wrap today's video. In the next video we will be considering one more data type, that is list. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos.